Hi everyone, this is Lara Hammock from the Marble Jar channel, and in today's video I will show you how I use my wireless headphones with my TV with just a $20 online purchase. So there are many reasons why you may want to send the sound from your TV to wireless headphones. Maybe you have a spouse or a baby who is easily awakened and you want to watch TV in the room where they're sleeping. Maybe you have noise-sensitive roommates. Maybe you tend to watch TV a little louder than is comfortable for the people that you live with. My main reason is that my daughter likes to do her homework in the same room where I am working, but she can't concentrate with my mindless murder mysteries or reality shows that I like to have on as background. So rather than have absolute silence, I use this method to have the TV on, but have the sound sent to my wireless headphones. So if you are someone who watches TV this way frequently, you may want to consider dedicated headphones, which seem to start around $60. This is something that I do at most once a week, so I went with this cheaper option. I bought this wireless transmitter from Amazon for $20. Just a note, I do not have a relationship with this company, but I am happy to provide the link in the description section below. If your TV has an audio jack, you can plug it directly in. I needed to use this converter, which was also included in the package, to plug into the left and right audio connectors. You need to have charged the unit using an Android charger, or you can plug it directly into the USB slot for power if your TV happens to have one. So now you will need to pair this device with your wireless headphones. So to put this device in pairing mode, press and hold the power button until it flashes red and blue in an alternating way. Then make sure your headphones are in pairing mode and hold them close together, like within 3 feet from each other. And when your headphones say that they are connected to TTBA01, you have paired them. Turn on your TV and you will see that sound plays both from the TV and from your headphones. At least that's what my TV does. You can mute your TV's sound and you will just have it in your ears. So the one real drawback is that the sound is slightly delayed. So it's perfectly fine for me since I am using this as background and I just look up occasionally. But if you're watching something intently, the delay might be kind of irritating or even a complete deal breaker. Perhaps the more expensive options that use RF to transmit the sound don't have a delay, but for my purposes, this solution works great. Let me know what you think. Comments are always appreciated, and thanks for watching.